All right. Another thing in your students' folder will be their fluency folders. A fluency folder will help build your child's reading fluency throughout the school year. Remember, our goal is to get at 67 words per minute by the end of the year. So to help that, we have these fluency folders. All right, so this student has a passage that we don't need to time. They will just read 3 times each night. So you can see here there's 3 boxes, and each time they read it, they'll check off a box. And at the bottom, they'll write how many times that they practiced that night. They'll do this on day 2, day 3, and day 4. This passage is only for this week. So you can see we might put in a few more passages for the rest of the month, but you'll want to focus on this story. Each day your child reads it, you're going to notice that their fluency is improving. So hopefully they're just getting better and better each day. This child is on a different level, so it's a little bit more challenging, and this one you will need to time your student, or your child, time your student as they're reading the passage. So you can see here, they have little numbers on the side, so you start your timer for 1 minute. Your child will start reading, and when the timer stops, you'll mark down wherever they stopped. So for example, let's pretend they stopped here, so that's 47 words per minute. And down here at the bottom, it will explain what you should write. So it's how many words that they read, and then how many mistakes. You might want to keep a little tally sheet to write down how many mistakes they made. And then the gray box, you subtract the 2 numbers, and the gray box will be the total. And there's a little spot also for your initials that you help them practice. They'll do that for, again, 4 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. And again, if your week gets busy, you could always catch up on the weekends to get those 4 practice times in. The students, again, will build their fluency each day. Same thing, the folder has 4 passages or more, and you can just focus on that one story for that week. This is an example of a beginning passage. On the beginning passages, the students just read the passage and check off every time they read it. These type of passages, you will time your child for 1 minute. After they are finished reading in 1 minute, you will write down how many words they read. You will subtract the number of mistakes, and in the dark gray box, you will write down how many words they got correct in that 1 minute. Each day, they should increase the number of words read per minute. This will help build their reading fluency. There are 4 days, but again, you have 7 days to complete, so pick the 4 days that work best for you.